Everybody look alive, say come on, come on, come on. We're gonna get it now. Hands up if you're ready for the fight. Say come on, come on, come on. We're gonna win it now. I don't need you to believe in me. I know how to change my destiny. Sit down, about to rewrite it.
Tripping out, spinning around. I'm underground. I fell down.
I would be Hiccup.
Yeah, I fell down. I'm freaking out. So where am I now? Upside down, and I can't stop it now. You can't stop me now. I'll get by. I'll survive. When the world's crashing down, when I fall and hit the ground, I will turn myself around. Don't you try to stop me. I won't cry. I found myself in Wonderland. Get back on my feet again. Is this real? Is it pretend?